to show you the all-new 2020 BMW S1000 XR, naturally it derives from our flagship class-leading model S1000 RR. So when it comes down to the whole new package in regards to chassis, suspension, swing arm, especially drivetrain, if there's one thing that we've really learned from the first generation S1000 XR, and that is we've taken something that's already unbelievable in regards to rideability, less horsepower, more torque than the S1000 RR, and in the real world environment, it's the most versatile platform and the most amount of technology in its segment. So we can go from the DDC, the dynamic dampening control, all new generation suspension. Every 10 milliseconds it dampens itself based off of 4 calculations: lean angle, shock travel, brake percentage, and throttle percentage. And all that fancy talk means that every 10 milliseconds it dictates what the valving should be and only transfers, let's just say to your second shock, your spine, about 85% of what's really happening. So it's unbelievable over real world conditions. It's only natural that we have lighter weight, and just in regards to geometry with the all new swing arm, it's a way more connected, positive feel. The traction's unbelievable, but you also have the DTC, the dynamic traction control, and all the electronics that we have available.
So the windshield you can really
Absolutely adjustable, and then when you start getting into the options and the different packages, we're going to offer the M forged wheels. So from our M branding, we have forged wheels, lightweight, strong M battery, lightweight lithium race battery actually. So anytime that you can take away weight naturally, it's only going to add power. But the progressiveness, I'll leave it at this, the whole package overall is so progressive with our all new brake system and brake calipers. It's just not, it's not going to upset the chassis as much because it's not as grabby and bitey as the predecessor in regards to just breathing on the brake lever before, for sure. It gives you a nice peace of mind that it's going to stop, but now everything's super progressive and rideable. The shift assist, clutchless upshifts with and downshifts with rev matching. So all these systems basically at the end of the day are to enhance the ride, minimize multitasking. This is the most versatile platform for around town, cross country, anywhere.
And is this bike now in November 2019 available in the US?
It will be coming soon. They're going into production. They were just launched 2 weeks ago at EICMA. This is the first unveiling in the US here at the Long Beach International Motorcycle Show. But anybody and everybody that's ridden the predecessor and knows how very well that bike was designed, this is a whole nother level.